Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can look apps on iPhone. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Go to library, search for shortcuts. This one. Good. Then tap select. Search for lock. This one. Done. Now lock screen edit. Then tap automation. New automation. Search for apps. Click it. Okay, tap this one. Notify when run, you can turn it on. Choose. Here choose the apps. For example, I choose Facebook and Drive. Done. Next. My shortcuts. Select lock screen. You see when any of two apps are open it, lock screen. Good. Now let's check. Let's find Facebook. You see directly the app is locked. That's all. Have a nice time.